Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Have you got a chance to finish the remaining thing? Most of the part I try to complete. Can I share my screen? Yes, please. I added the success. I added until here. I completed. 6, 7. And to start with 7, into the policy. Right, you can see this. You can see the full hero image in the background, right? I can hear you. I can hear you. Tell me. Hello. I can hear you. Hello. 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 Can you see my screen? It's loading. Actually, it's the screen. The image is full now. Hello. I am seeing the scene and become. Oh, I'm seeing the application now. Hero image is coming in the full width. Right. What about the footer component? I didn't add that. I completed a late 6. I read this. I need to add. I need to create this design dialog and I'll tell you design dialog. Do you want to do it quickly now? Do you want me to create it now? Quickly. Design dialog is important. Right. But I told you a design dialog is your global policy. You remember? Till now we were working with design dialog. We were adding allowed components. We are providing style. Right. That's why design dialog. You should be like this with this exercise. We'll be creating our own design dialog. Right. Even if tomorrow the project, if you have to customize, this is how you will do with the whatever exercise we are doing right now. Let's quickly do it. Quickly do it. Sorry to say that sort of my internet is flaky today. I'm not able to hear properly. What do you want? Do you want a little bit later? How? I thought you. Hi, Sarab. Hello. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your internet is not good. Huh? The internet is not good. Can we connect? Sorry. Can we connect tomorrow morning sometime? Tomorrow evening? Or I'll be like, the internet will not be like around 4 hours or 5 hours. Because I'm just one thing. Whenever you get time, just finish this LOL exercise and we will connect in your tomorrow morning. My evening today. Perfect. That would be really great. Whatever time you're free, you can just let me know, I'll join. Whatever time, we will sign around 9 p.m. Perfect. If London, I'll join you. Fine, hello. Let me hi. I'll inform them as well. Thank you very much for understanding. Thank you. Let's finish this. Try to see if you can start off session 14. Right? I can do that. Sure, I'll start. I'll try to start. See, this is almost like you. With this, we will finish the component section part and we'll start on the backend part, which is important for you. And also we'll be going through what you call, yes, Java part. That's what. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.